Welcome to another demo of our AI-enabled no-code/low-code platform, Flip. Today, we'll walk you through how the data pipeline works. There are two components to this. 1. Creating the data pipeline. 2. Processing files through the created pipeline. Flip supports following file types: Excel, CSV, and PDF. For this video, we'll focus on how to process an Excel file through the created pipeline. Let's dive in. So let's start with the process of creating a pipeline. Here, we've created a pipeline that provides basic information about the file we're consuming, such as the source file format and the target format. If the file has multiple sheets, we list the specific sheets we're considering for extraction. Additionally, we include an option to take an email address, so in case of any failure in processing the file, an alert is sent to the user, notifying them of the issue. Next, we move on to the mapping page. Here, we specify the source information, indicating where we want to extract the data from. At the same time, we define the elements with which the target file needs to be named. Whatever data you extract from the source will have a corresponding name in the target file, and this is where you configure that. Since this is part of the ETL function in Flip, you also have a variety of transformation options to apply to the extracted data, depending on the data type. We've provided several functions for this. You can apply string functions, data manipulation functions, conditional functions, like if-else, and data extraction functions. You can also specify the date formats and choose the source and target formats for transforming the data. There are a lot of functionalities you can apply to various elements here. You can also drag and drop new fields as needed. You can define both the target and the source, and once you save it, that field will be extracted from the file as well. This goes into multiple sheets. If you want each set of information on a different sheet, you can specify that and create the sheets here as well. Once the pipeline is created, you will see it listed, just like we are seeing it now. The next step is to define the connections. Where do I want to pick these files from? Here, I define the source and the folder from where the file should be retrieved, which in my case is a OneDrive location. Once the target file is created, I want to store it back into OneDrive. We've created several other options for this. After that, you can also schedule the pipeline by creating a cron job in Flip settings, defining when and how often the function should run. Once everything is defined, the pipeline becomes active and, based on the schedule you set, it will automatically pick up data from the source and run according to the schedule defined in the pipeline. If you go to Settings, you'll see all the data sources that are currently supported. All of this comes built in with Flip, and we're continuously adding more data sources. For databases, you can see the current supported options. You can also create your schedules here, specifying the days, frequency, and other settings, all of which are visible when you go into the pipeline to define the connections and schedules. Sign up for a free demo at www.canerica.com/meet.